The ASAHOM Permanent Outdoor Light Pro S108B delivers bright, even illumination with a long 100-foot strand and dozens of individually controllable RGBCW diodes that can handle both everyday white light and vivid holiday colors. Its companion application and built-in artificial intelligence lighting engine make it unusually easy to dial in complex scenes, from subtle architectural washes to animated effects that respond to music without a steep learning curve. With an enormous range of color and motion combinations plus multi-zone control, it can cover an entire roofline or large patio while still letting you give each section its own look. Integration with WLED and support for popular voice assistants means you can treat it like part of a larger smart home system, adjusting patterns and schedules hands-free or from a browser-style interface. The cuttable and extendable design, dual outputs, and included connectors make it flexible to install on different house shapes without awkward gaps or dangling extra cable. A rugged waterproof build, ultraviolet-resistant materials, and secure mounting options help it stand up to year-round weather, so you can leave it up for every season instead of rehanging lights for each holiday.